Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair this morning using a recommendation, and it's the Revlon Total Color. And I got the shade black because they do not offer blue black. It's just straight up black. And I don't think they really have any fashion colors from what I could tell. I was told to get this on Amazon. I did see that Walmart online was carrying it, and Amazon's like 50 cents cheaper than Walmart. I'm not 100% sure if this is in store or not. Like I said, I did see it on Walmart.com. I did not see it on the shelf when I actually went into Walmart. And I did notice that Revlon got rid of their buttercream. I mean, you might be able to find it here and there, but like Walmart completely got rid of it. It's no longer on the shelf. So I don't know if this is going to replace it because it is a cream color. It is not the liquid like the Color Silk. And I want to say that this is like fairly new because this is made with cannabis sativa. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sativa. Don't shoot me. I'm like really bad at English. It's a hemp seed oil. It tells you that on the back. And I can say that with this hair color, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that it made it really gentle because usually Revlon irritates my scalp and it itches the whole entire time. And I don't know if it's because of the hemp seed oil, but it was like so gentle that like I had no irritation whatsoever for the full 30 minutes. It was literally a breeze. And I was like, this is gonna be like the longest 30 minutes ever. And I was like, whoa, it's 30 minutes already. My alarm's already going off. Like I gotta wash it out now. So yeah, it was very gentle. I had no irritation with it at all. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% sure if it's because of the hemp seed oil or not. So I don't know. Okay, so this color does contain toluene, and it also has cannabis in it. It's 100% gray coverage. We will see, because when I washed my hair out, I noticed this morning, like I could see a little bit of like the grays popping through. I'm not sure if it was just like, I do kind of mix up like if it's super shiny, it kind of does, I do kind of mistake it as like, oh, there's a gray hair, but sometimes that's just not the case. It's just like the way the light hits it, it just kind of hits it funny, and then like it looks like it's a white hair or whatever. But we'll see how long it lasts, because if it lasts just like the Color Silk, then we're golden. And I will definitely pick this up if it's like in the store. Like I said, I'm not sure how new this is. I don't know if it's actually like super new as of like this year, because it has like hemp seed oil in it, and that's kind of like been the new trend with like beauty products these days, or like this year, where like you can find hemp seed oil in literally everything, from like your hand lotion to your makeup, your foundation, like mascara, lip gloss, like you name it, it's in it. Yeah, so I'm not sure if like this is to replace the buttercream, because like I said, it's not on the Walmart shelf. I walked into Walmart, I didn't see this, and I didn't see the buttercream. All I saw was like the Color Silk. So I'm not sure if like this is new and it's gonna start trickling in and like filling the shelves, or if this is just like an online thing. I have no idea. But like I said, it was a recommendation, and I was told to order it from Amazon, and I did. And it has like a floral scent to it. It's not super strong, so you don't need like insane amount of like ventilation or anything. It is noticeable, but like once you notice it, it kind of like dissipates and you can't really smell it anymore. It didn't irritate my scalp. It was very gentle. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's from the hemp seed oil or not. it does stain your skin a little bit. I forgot to wash off my ear, but I still have like a couple lines here and there. I was able to get it off my scalp up here and around there, so that was good. I mean, it's still stained, but my makeup covered the gist of it. I was nervous at first because of the color of the box. It looks dark brown. It looks nowhere near black. Like, does that look black to you? No. My hair is darker than the color of this box. So I was kind of nervous because when I was sitting in my vanity, blow drying my hair, the lighting made it look like it was just dark brown. And I was not having it. I was like, are you serious? And sure enough, I walk over to my window because I was like, don't hold judgment yet. Don't hate this color yet. If it still looks this way at the window where the natural lighting is, then that's the real test. And once again, I got blown away by what the color of the natural lighting looks like. And it is dark brown. Or not dark brown. It is jet black. It is dark. And it is beautiful. It is super shiny, super sleek. It feels amazing. Like, my hair feels so stinking soft. And it even says on the box that, like, it's going to be ultra moisturized hair with less breakage. Your hair is going to be so soft you won't want to stop touching it. And it's got brilliant, shiny results. And that is all true. And I was pleasantly surprised that it is super dark and not dark brown. I'm so happy it's not the color that this is showing, because I've been there with Revlon's buttercream. I used to love it. Then they changed their formula, and then their black was like dark brown. And even the picture on the box was dark brown. It wasn't even black. Why would you even name it black if it doesn't even look black on the box, and it doesn't even look black when you are done coloring it? And that was with all different lighting. Like, I went to like every room being disappointed that I just colored my hair dark brown instead of black, and I bought black. But anyways, I've learned these past couple hair colors experiences is that lighting is key. Even though I already knew that you can get the best results by like stepping outside, seeing what it looks like in the sun and natural lighting, it's key. Because like I said, my vanity lights made it look like my hair was dark brown for these past two colors. Usually when I look at my vanity light, I can see the color right away. But for some reason, these past two colors were just dark brown. And then I sit in front of my window and I'm like, that is not the color I just saw over there. And sure enough, yeah, it's dark black. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I don't know what else to say about this, except I really hope that this is replacing the buttercream, even though I absolutely loved the buttercream. They did switch the formula and it wasn't as good. I mean, obviously they were trying to keep up with the Joneses, and it just fell flat. And obviously it's no longer available. Like, you can't even buy it anywhere. But if this is going to be in its place, this is definitely a good try. I wish they would come out with a blue black, because that would be amazing. And I will definitely, this will be like my next, if it's in stores, if I can find it in the store, and my all-time favorite Schwarzkopf Sapphire Black is not available, this would be like my next go-to, because I have no irritation with this whatsoever. So if this does hit the shelf, this is going to be amazing. Like, I'm blown away. I mean, like I said, it's so gentle, and the color, they probably should make this like the lady or the model's hair darker, because that's not black. That is like dark brown. my hair is darker than hers. So they definitely need to like fix some of the marketing issues. But other than that, I have nothing bad to say about it. And it was definitely a really good recommendation. And I do recommend it. If it's in the store, this is something worth trying. And if the cannabis seed oil or whatever it's called, the hemp seed oil, is playing a part in it to make your like scalp not so irritated, then that's a big plus, and I think more companies should try that. So anyways, that's it on that color. I am down to like, I think three more colors, and I have nothing else to try. Like, there's been recommendations that I have that are like overseas. There's like a Schwarzkopf live salon version or something like that. It's a box dye, and it was on eBay, and they won't ship to the US. And I probably waited on that a little too long because it's super expensive. It was going to be about like $50 to get 2 boxes here in the States, but now they no longer ship to the States, so I can't get that hair color, and I can't find it anywhere. But I do have one coming. It's the Schwarzkopf Brilliance, I think it is. And that I should get that by the end of the month or early August. I have like 2 more on Amazon that I'm trying to get, but it's like $60 for 2 boxes, and I'm just kind of like, I mean, and they're cheap. It's just shipping is so expensive. They're like $6 a box. But as soon as I'm like, that's not bad. I'm gonna pay like $20 for like these 4 boxes of dye. And then as soon as I go to check out, it's like $70, $80. And I'm like, oh my God. And it's just because of shipping. Shipping and sales tax to get it here, it's outrageous. So if you have any recommendations that I haven't done, or ones that you want to see me try that I like, that are new, that I haven't seen yet or whatever, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely try my best to get it. And like I said, I have like three more that are left, and then I got nothing. Like I said, I try my best every time I get a recommendation. I have them sitting in my notes so that I can constantly check to see where I can get it. And if I can get it, I do. And it's depending on price point. Like I said, like this is like $70 for 4 boxes of $6.99 hair dye. Do I really want to do that? So yeah, it's one of those things where I'm like, I would love to try it, but is it going to be worth $70 to try? But yeah, so anyways, let me know if there's any other colors that either I missed or that are new, anything that's blue, black. And once these 3 colors are done, I'm going to move on to the violet blacks, because that was highly requested by a few subscribers have been asking me to do them. And if I'm all out of blue blacks, I might as well. So yeah, see you next time, and hopefully this color works out. And yep, reach out to me and let me know all your recommendations, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.